talking about vaccination. Covaxin, the coronavirus vaccine developed by government's medical research agency here in the country in Bharat Biotech, was found to have 77.8% efficacy rate against symptomatic COVID-19 in a long-awaited analysis published in The Lancet. The study also found it to be 65.2% effective against the more dangerous Delta variant of coronavirus in the preliminary analysis, but said further investigations are necessary to confirm that.
Validation has come from the prestigious Lancet magazine for the confidence Prime Minister Narendra Modi personally reposed in India's first indigenously developed and produced COVID-19 vaccine. Safety and efficacy analysis data from phase 3 clinical trials of Covaxin has demonstrated for the first time for any COVID vaccine over 65% protection against Delta variant, which is the predominant global variant of concern. India's largest ever clinical trial study involving 25,800 volunteers across 25 sites in India found Covaxin to be over 77% effective against symptomatic COVID and over 93% effective against severe symptomatic COVID. What is significant is that efficacy data demonstrates 63% protection against asymptomatic COVID, which experts say could help decrease transmissibility of the virus and bring about reduction in new severe cases. Dr. Krishna Ella, CMD of Bharat Biotech, said the data from our product development and clinical trials have been published in over 10 peer-reviewed journals, making Covaxin one of the most highly published COVID-19 vaccines in the world. The Indian Council of Medical Research, that along with the National Institute of Virology, partnered with Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech, says Covaxin is now a global frontrunner among COVID-19 vaccines. Less than 10 days ago, the World Health Organization granted emergency use listing to Covaxin. It is currently being evaluated for use in children between 2 and 18. Bharat Biotech, that has made and supplied more than 150 million doses, hopes to annually make 1 billion doses by the year end. There was a time when several questions were raised about the indigenous Covaxin, but now, with over 93% efficacy in the severely symptomatic category, demonstrated protection in the case of the Delta variant and also in asymptomatic cases, and most importantly the safety data, Covaxin would hope to silence critics. Uma Sudhir, NDTV.